What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Fix It Garage. Today was supposed to be a Tech Tuesday, but I went through the footage and I didn't really like how it is. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna scrap it and we're gonna use that video another time when I can reshoot it to something that is to my standards that I would like.
Boo!
But today, we're gonna go over and pick the winner of the Super Clean contest. So last week I put out a video for you guys to enter to win your own 5-pack of Super Clean. And today, we're gonna pick the winner. So, it's not gonna be a long video, but at least by the end of it, someone is gonna be a lucky winner. So before we start with that, I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you once again to Super Clean for sponsoring last week's video and for giving away Super Clean product. Remember guys, super clean, super easy, super fast. All right guys, so I know that you really want to know who the winner of the Super Clean is. Before we do that, I'm gonna go over what we're gonna do. To make this fair, it's going to be a continuous take. I'm going to have an assistant bring the camera in to show you all the names quickly, and then we're going to fling them into a hat. I'm going to shake the hat, and then my assistant is going to draw a name out of the hat and I will read it out to you guys. Pretty simple, right? Super easy, super fast, just like Super Clean. So that's what we're gonna do. And then I will get in touch with you as I'm making this video, which is Monday, letting you know you won so I can get all your information so then I can have Super Clean mail you your 5-pack of Super Clean. Sounds good, right? It really was just that simple. Maybe next time I have a contest, more of you will actually think of entering. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and let's give away this Super Clean. Okay guys, now the moment that all of you have been waiting for, we're gonna pick the winner of the contest. So first, I'm gonna have my assistant come up to show all of the names. And now we're going to take them and put them into the hat and shake the hat up. And now she will reach in and pull a name out. Here's your guys' winner. Chris Luna, I will be getting in touch with you very shortly on the last YouTube video, and we will figure out how to get you your 5-pack of Super Clean. All right, guys, once again, congratulations to Chris for winning a 5-pack of Super Clean. I will be in touch with you very shortly so I can get all your information so we can get you your free 5-pack of Super Clean. Thank you for entering, everybody. Hopefully next contest we have a few more entries in it, whatever we end up giving away. I do plan on doing more giveaways in the future. Probably in the future it's gonna be merch to start with. I'm gonna give away some shirts. Who knows? We'll see where the channel goes. The bigger it gets, the more stuff I'm gonna be willing to give away. Maybe one day I'll give away a car. What? No. We'll see. Let's get big enough first. All right, guys, so unfortunately, that's gonna do it for today's video. I don't have a whole lot planned. Friday is gonna be the ending of the garage updates for now. If you are paying attention in this video, you're pretty much seeing the garage all done, but we'll make it official next week. Then, I've got a really special Tech Tuesday coming up the following week, and we've got to do a little bit of maintenance on these guys next weekend, so I'll bring that to you as well. I'm also going to try to bring out a Christmas special that's going to drop Christmas Eve day for you guys. I wouldn't want to burden you guys with trying to watch a video on Christmas, so Christmas Eve, look for a video. That's going to do it for today though, guys. I want to thank all of you guys for watching. Remember to smash that like button if you like giveaways and you want some more. Remember to leave comments down below of what you thought of the contest. Let me know other things you might want in the future. Maybe I'll do more giveaways. We'll see. Also, remember to subscribe so you don't miss any future Fix It Garage videos, and be sure to check out my playlist of some of the cars that I've worked on in here, and get ready for some crazy stuff coming up soon. I can't wait to share with you guys, coming very, very soon. Once again, thank you guys all for watching, and remember that on any project that you have, you should never stop wrenching.